Assalamualaikum friends, once again welcome to back our channel Crochet Lovers. So friends, how are you? I hope all will be may almighty keep you happy, keep your homes inhabited, and may you continue to enjoy like this. Amen. So friends, today I will share with you the very beautiful amazing crochet Amigurumi dolls designs ideas. Beautiful dresses, beautiful patterns, beautiful eyes, beautiful lips, beautiful hairs, beautiful hands, very amazing colorful crochet Amigurumi dolls designs ideas, home decorative ideas. Before starting the video, I request all of you to subscribe my channel first, and also make sure to follow, be sure to follow, press the bell icon. You can see very beautiful and amazing designs. Show to people in it, all the designs that I am sharing with you today are all new designs brought to channel in the first time. You can also buy at the market about such designs. You can get many ideas from my videos. So friend, this video is very helpful and useful, so I will keep sharing similar designs with my dear friend daily. Inshallah, be sure to let us know in the comment box how you like our video. If you want to watch fashion videos, and if you guys want, you can take a screenshot from my videos and show it to someone else, and you can make a similar design for yourself. Don't subscribe to my channel, I will share with you some different designs. Thank you for watching. God bless you. Take care. Bye bye. God bless you. Allah Hafiz.